It's a little bit stormy outside. Decided to make some cuisine. I've prepared some seasoned cabbage and onion made with this assortment of seasoning. Gonna be using this bulgogi meat. First, let's get this sucker fired up. Using butter and olive oil. My general strategy is to get this stuff kind of simmering and caramelized a little bit, and then we can move on to cooking the meat. There we go. Trying to heat down a little bit. Starting to smell real nice. Kind of like to make a pocket in the middle that has direct contact. Stir them off there, move them. So this frozen meat is perfect and it cooks really quick. So that's why I like to kind of cook it on a bed of sauteed stuff. Kind of gives you a little more working time. But yeah, this thinly sliced bulgogi stuff really cooks. I think I can fit one more piece in there. Right in the middle. So there you go. That's the beginning. Let's find the dang top to this thing. Can I help it keep some of the heat inside there? Go ahead and wrap the rest of this up for later. This will pickle real nicely. It's got a lot of vinegar and salt in it, So I'm probably just gonna let this do its thing. But yeah, as you can see here, that bulgogi meat, it cooks real quick and nice. Let's stir it around a little bit. That's kind of the idea. Just get it all moving around. You don't want to overcook the meat though. Kind of makes it taste like crap. And it's super thin, so it cooks real quick. How should we finish this? Maybe with a strange Korean man. What else? Perhaps a seasoning that improves the taste. That sounds good. I think you can call this done around this point in time. But wait, I think there's one more thing. We also need a special sauce. It's this. This is the ultimate sauce. Now it's done. Calling it here.